And look at strawberries. Mga ilan
Ano ito mahal? Kailangan yung sa may mga red na flag lang?
Opo, sa may mga flags lang daw.
Na red? Eh paano yung yellow? Hindi?
All the flags.
all the flags.
Kala ko ba red? Ano ba?
Then lahat ng may flag daw.
What the?
Ayun oh.
Ang daming strawberry.
Bakit magkaiba pa ng red saka ano?
Meron the strawberry na sa plant.
Kasi may flag lang daw.
Ano kaya itong kabila?
Strawberry?
Parang gula, parang kami. Right?
Oh, ang mahal.
So saan tayo mag-start mag-pick Dad?
Ito.
Right here?
Tulad nito, ganyan.
Berry.
Nak, yung red na red kuti may kunin mo na
May
ka.
mga green din oh. Super red.
Super red.
Light lahat talaga red. Wala
Opo.
mga green sa baba.
Opo, tapos malalaki. Big.
Hindi ko mahanap ko din.
Gano'n ka big Dad?
Kapitap. Ha?
Pwede nang kumain.
Ha?
Grabe, ang ganda daddy. Malaki.
Ba't pala pumunta tayo hapon?
So, ganito
Kala ko
pa.
kasi bubong, wala palang
Ganito pa.
bubong.
Ganito
Kimi.
yung feeling pa natin.
Yung red, ganito mga red. Yan. Yung ganyan, yan, ganyan. Gary with yan.
Oh my God. Ay, ito.
Nak, hindi ganito. Pagkuha. Wait, ay, hindi pa yan nak. Hindi pa. Dapat red na. Ako, pwede kang kumain nak. Pwede mo tikman. Ganito lang pa ito kaliit ang puno, mahal. Ganito nak, pwede na ito nak, ganyan no.
Daddy, naka-pray na ako.
Mukha. Yan ito.
Found a big one. Dad, I found a big one.
Very good.
Ako din do.
Okay.
Uy!
Ako monster. Nakakuha ko ng monster. It's a monster.
Ano yan?
Super big.
Ako, Dad.
Yan no.
Ganito talaga yung actual field day.
Jesus
Talaga yung actual
Christ.
field day.
Yan na, pwede mo yan na.
May isa yung malaki. Yung mga malalaki dito.
Daddy, oh.
Oh,
Ito sa akin.
very good, very good.
Yup.
Hanggat maaari.
Daddy, oh. Ang dami.
Opo. Okay.
Nakita ka ba ba yung malaki? Naghanap ako ng malaki.
The hunt ko din yung ano na, oh. The hunt ko yung red.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yung gun? Boom, boom.
Ayos siya rin yun.
Ito, ang laki. Yun ako.
Sa akin yan.
Okay. Very good. Ito pa na, kuyan pa. Ikaw.
Look. Dad.
Mm.
Yan mo ako, Dad. Hawak ako.
Pero pa. Ito na ako.
Ako? Ikaw din? Ako din? Ano ba?
Okay.
Yeah.
Tanggalin mo, tanggal ko nga eh. Kasi makakaano pa ng ano yun eh.
So yan, Timmy.
Ng bigat.
Shot. Headshot. Yung headshot kita. Woo!
Ang dami pa oh. So, dami. Dado, tiri mo yung nakuha ko, Dado. Uy. Nice.
Kasi ah.
Ang pansin na malalakuan.
Uy!
Careful.
Oh!
Kanina ba rin?
Kaya was yan. Kaya was yata yun.
Ito nak, dito.
Ayun.
Ayun oh, marami dito nak oh. Oh, dito marami nga dito. Yun oh, puro red.
Ala, ang laki nito, Dad.
Opo, may flag na red oh.
Daddy, laki.
Tanggalin mo tong ano nak to.
Yan, laki.
May nakita ko bunch ng malalaki.
Kaya nga. Timmy, halika lak. Kalito lang kita pag piknak. Ganito lang nako, alawa. Timmy, look. Wala magpipik ka, halika. Turuan kita kung paano. Hindi lalanak. Tingnan mo, dirty yan. Diba, ito. Ganun naman lang nako, ganun naman lang oh.
Oh, ano to?
Yan. Very good.
Ow! Timmy! Dahil si Titi natatapan ng dirt, no?
Team.
Nasa likod na tuloy. Ayan, Timmy. Dada ka ito sa likod, Dad? Meron bang dumi?
Meron. Timmy, dirty nga yung ano nak.
Oh, ito naman, oh. O yan, magpapalit na naman ako mamaya.
Natanggal yung leaf.
Hmm?
Ayan, Timmy.
Nak, malayo na tayo ah.
Na, kuha ko si Mami.
Puno na ba yung hawak mo, Tim? Puno na?
Uy! Dado?
Opo. Ito,
Ako din.
super big oh.
Ang laki!
Mami!
Monster.
Ang ano mo?
Ang dami mga malalaki, Dad. Tapos may nag-confuse din, Dad, oh.
Opo.
Layo na natin si Mami. Ang ano pa, ang low.
Ikaw kuwari nga lang, tumatakbo ka nga sa akin pagkatapos mo tinapon ng dirt, eh.
Hindi ka pa puno, Tim? Ako puno na. Tama na yata to.
Sa akin.
Oo, dyan ako. Nak. Punuin mo yun sa'yo, nak. Ito pa kuya. Ito. Ito, ang laki oh. Ayan oh.
Ito nga sa akin, no? Tira mo. Dado.
Oo, jumbo.
Parang triple na fuse.
Maraming malaki dito, mahal. Maraming
Ang
malalaki.
laki! Dami!
Dumi ah. Nak. Dumi. Ah.
Dalawa.
Itim mo.
Uy, naglag sayang.
Mama. Sino? Mabili ka na ng malaki.
Ako madaming malaki.
Ang dami.
Marami akong nakakuha malaki. Ibot ka na.
Nak, huwag mong apakan, Tim ah.
Mga soil yan, Tim. Ikaw nga.
Ala. Lahat green.
Pwede bang kainin, mahal?
Ma'am. Ito.
Mm.
Pwede mo kainin, Dad, para hindi mo
Ito kaya.
Okay.
Ano kaya lang malaki kaya dad? Supong yung sobrang malaki na nakuha mo. Ano na sobrang malaki na nakuha mo dad?
Kasi laki ng ano.
Ng bato?
Ng...
Uy, ito. Jumbo oh.
Nabait ko.
Ay, jumbo din.
Piliin mo lang talaga yung malaki. Sobrang dami.
Ano nga.
Ano, oh?
Hi, team!
Puno na to mahal.
Nakalit mo na.
Uy, may jumbo.
Dapat padala ka dito maming asin.
Asin? Kaya pa lang tatanan mo asin eh. Ba't gusto mo ng asin dad?
Para kainin na diretso.
Uy, laki ito dad oh. Dad, sobrang laki dad oh.
Hmm?
Okay.
Hmm.
Uy, ang dalawa. Dalawang jumbo.
Wala bang farm dito ng ano, grapes? Parang mas gusto ko yung grapes. Mmm. Mm. Nak, puno na yata anak, malaglag naman na. Tama na kuya.
Okay.
Baka malaglag naman na.
Bakit mo na? Bakit mo na? Lain ni mami dad.
Ha?
Lain ni mami.
Kaya mo ba, pupunta naman dito yon.
Ilan ka nakuha dad?
Ito,
Ilan ka kayo nakuha?
ewan ko. Tama na to kasi malaglag lang din naman.
Sa kanda do? Sa kay Team
Kaya
Kim.
team, marami din oh. Careful team, careful.
Sabi daw ganito, may pwede ka mag-change ng size ng tray dad no?
Magana?
Pwede mag-change ng size ng tray ng ganito.
Titimbangin naman to nak.
Sino kaya yung mas maraming kilo? Sino kaya mas maraming kilo dad?
Ewan ko. Ito mga puti dito, di takot sa init oh. Parang wala lang sa kanila yung init.
Dali, oh.
Okay.
Iniis ko. Iniis ko, dad.
Ano kaya yung klaseng gulay yan sa kabila?
Hindi ko alam nak no kung ano yan.
Ito yung malaki, dad.
Mga petsa bang ganyan? Celery. May ano din na doon, tunnel.
Tubig yan nak. Hose yan, hose. Ano kaya to? Ayan oh.
Oh, where's my mom?
Wait.
We wait for you mommy, okay?
Ang layo.
Ang inis na, dad.
Okay, just wait.
I think we're the only car that here.
Hmm. Super init.
Tingnan ko yung mas mami dad.
What's that?
Ano yun, dad?
Umbrella? Ah, meron.
Ewan ko.
You want some bags for these so that they don't dump in the car?
I have,
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you're good. Come prepared.
yeah, I'm a Boy Scout.
Yeah.
Yep.
There.
My mom is there. That's me.
She's getting on her video.
Yeah. Just making a video.
That's my video.
Are you sisters?
Yes. Do we look alike?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, you are beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, with sunglasses on, they're like, everyone's like, you guys look like twins. I'm like, well, one of us is a junior in college and one of us is a sophomore in high school. So,
Wow.
It is more heavier.
Do you know Philippines?
yeah.
I came from
You're from the
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We are new here.
It's hotter there.
Yeah.
It's definitely a little colder
We
here.
came
huh?
here winter season, December. So
Oh, ooh, fun. Nice and chilly. First experience with snow?
mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
And then my
And-
nose
and it
my
doesn't
nose
stop
bleed.
here. It doesn't stop here.
Yeah.
It just keeps snowing. And then it keeps raining and
Yeah.
continues to rain for the
Yeah.
whole summer. And then everything gets flooded. And then we lose all of our crops. It's really great.
What's about the other one? What's that?
I think it looks like squash.
Squash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like squash. I'm not sure what else is over there, but we have fields here. There's fields on the other side of the farm stand. And
Mhm.
like all the way down the hill, there's like a ton of fields over there too. We have so much land.
Wow.
But we're actually surprised
It's
we
the
even,
first time I see a strawberry farm.
yeah, the strawberries.
Because in the Philippines we have lots of coconuts.
Yeah.
Mangoes, coconuts, guavas,
I
like
love
that.
mango.
Yeah.
I can't have it all the time. Though. I can only have it at home because
Yeah.
my best friend's literally allergic to it. So when I go away to school, I can't have
Dali
it.
po rin nagba-blood dad.
Yeah, it's a color.
Parang nagba-blood dad.
No, hindi nagbablog
Kaya
na.
yung strawberry na
Yeah,
hawak ko.
strawberry. Yeah. Nakarami ka, mahal?
Mga double fish, mami. Man. Oh, yeah.
Is it okay if I'm filming? Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
We're fine.
Oh, no, no.
Oh, look. Look what I got. It's all, I don't know what is it.
Double fish.
They look really good.
double
all the good
fuse.
ones.
So how much?
It's gonna be 34.37.
Alright. Nasaan ako sa akin dad? Saan sa akin? Asa sa akin dad?
Yes.
This beautiful girl.
Yeah, they are sister.
We are
Tapos na ako
sisters.
dad.
Yeah.
Oh. Saan nalalagay dad?
So hello Philippines. Hello. Hello from cold Vermont. It's cold here compared to there.
Saan sa akin dad? This saan sa akin dad? Ito?
Yep,
Sa akin yan?
yep.
So when you started opening your farm? Back in like, I want to say like 100 years ago.
100 years ago?
Yeah, it wasn't originally started by Sam Mazza. He's still living here. He's like 85 now. He's 15.
So it's a family business?
Yes. So he lives right there, and then like the rest of the family is all down that side of the road. It's like, and they all live right here, and like his couple daughters.
You're not
they
planning to
all-
be an actress like that?
Yeah, you're so beautiful.
Yeah.
If you go to the Philippines.
Yeah.
I cannot. I'm going to school for psychology because that's as far as I'm gonna be able to go.
Alright.
Well,
This is our
thank you.
first time seeing a real strawberry farm.
Yeah.
We don't have this
Yeah.
one back home.
Yeah. No. And then we obviously have billions of blueberry bushes.
Where's the blueberry? What is it here?
The blueberries are right here. I think that's squash and like zucchini and stuff. I'm not sure what else is over there, but
Pumpkin.
Maybe pumpkins. I think no, the pumpkin patch is
Video?
down that way.
Opo.
The corn's over there too. We also have like farm animals too.
Tama na,
I don't
kasi
know
baka
if you
masira yan ang timbangan na.
like goats.
Goats.
We have some goats over
Do
there.
you have a grapes farm?
Yeah, grapes farm.
I don't think we have. I don't think we have grapes here.
Blueberries here.
Yes, we do have blueberries
So
right
it's
there.
the same like.
Yeah, you can come and you can pick. I think it starts like end of July or early August.
okay.
But they'll put like a sign out at the end of the road. And it'll say like come pick, like pick.
What about apple?
We don't have apples here. I don't think. Yeah, there are some like up towards. I don't know if you know where Grand Isle is, like
Is
the
it closer
islands
here?
near the islands. Yeah, there's like Allenholm Farm, and then there's like Hackett's,
Mhm.
and they have so many apples. Like it's crazy.
It's the same like we will just.
Yeah, and you can go pick. You can go pick apples, and it's like I used to do it when I was little. I haven't really had time for that now because I go to college. But
All right, nice meeting you guys.
you guys enjoy.
All right.
Thank you.
Worse.
Oh, thank you again.
And then
We are really fresh from Philippines.
So, may plastic bag ba?
Meron ako sa bulsa nak.
Ha?
Meron ako sa bulsa.
Ha?
Meron ako nasa bulsa, plastic.
Tinimbang mo? Yung,
Tinimbang.
na doon sa ano, sa pocket mo, doon. Sa,
Nandito, plastic.
Look at me guys. Hello, Photo. Hello, Photo.
oh, saan ito lagay, Dad? Sa trunk?
Hawakan mo muna.
Sa trunk?
Hello, Photo. Nak, put this one in the back sa back na.
Pagkuha ko ng plastic mo, wag na. Wag na, no? Di naman na ano to.
Siguro saan ka tayo pupunta ulit tayo?
Pupunta tayong ano, bibiling itlog.
Yes. Nak, magaganda yung nakuha ko lahat mahal.
Opo.
No? Pinili ko talaga eh. Tapos kinain ko yung ano,
Maliit.
maliliit. Inubos ko yung maliliit.
Kaya pala ang tagal mo dun. Wala naman. Wala naman. Ano. Tim-tim nga. Kumakain habang nakapalapit kami. Wala naman.
Oh, my aircon, Dad.
Lang, di pa nga ako nakakasakay.
Grabe sila mahal, no?
Hindi sila takot sa
Hindi
init.
sila takot sa init, oh. Diyos ko, ano pa yan? Ano pa tawag yan?
Naka-short.
Naka-short.
Naka-spaghetti.
Ah. Mga tauhan lang siguro sila mahal, no?
Ewan.
Hindi sila siguro. Or sila mismo mga apo.
Baka mga apo to.
Magpinsan daw sila.
Magkapatid.
Magkapatid?
Parang nga silang kambal eh.
Daddy, lalong umitim.